In this video, I will discuss the fourth step of dropshipping. The fourth step is called product listing or product adding. To add a product, we will click on catalog and then add products. This type of page will be appear. Here we will copy our SN number from the hunting sheet and we will paste it here. Then this interface will be appear here. We will select new condition and then click on sell this product. After that, this type of page will be appear and they will require some information from us. First of all, we have to put SKU here. So we will copy from searching file and then paste it here. Next, we need our selling price. Same, we will copy the selling price from that sheet and we will put it here. Next, we need to put quantity. At the start of the account, we need to keep that quantity as lowest as we can. We will click this button and more things will be appear here. Here we need to give handling time. At the start, you can keep your handling time 3 days or 2 days. We will take a second look and then we need to put SKU, then we need to put selling price, then we will put quantity and then handling time. Here we will select our fulfillment channel as merchant fulfilled and then we will click on save and finish. Now our first product is listed. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes to appear in our inventory. If you want to learn how to make this file, you can watch my previous video.